Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Today's video will provide the latest happenings with the HAL's light utility helicopter. As per the sources and recent update, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's indigenously developed light utility helicopter has successfully completed all required hot and high altitude trials in Himalayas. These high altitude trials for hot and high weather conditions were carried out for around 10 days using a comprehensive test plan at Leh, which included envelope expansion, performance, and flying qualities. As per the plan, the light utility helicopter took off from Leh and demonstrated its hot and high altitude performance at Daulat Beg Oldi Advanced Landing Ground at 5000 MAMSL. Here MAMSL stands for height above mean sea level. In addition to performing the hot and high altitude tests, these helicopters demonstrated its payload capability in Siachen Glacier. All these trials were carried by a composite trial team which included pilots from HAL, wing commanders, group captain, and squadron leaders from both Indian Army and Indian Air Force. So this is indeed again a great achievement by India and Indian defense sector. These choppers received the initial operation clearance on 7th February 2020 and 3 prototypes were built, and these choppers cumulatively completed over 550 flights under various terrains and climatic conditions like cold weather, hot weather, sea level, and high altitude, complying to the stringent certification and user requirements. Just to give a quick recap about this helicopter, the HAL's light utility helicopter is a 3-ton light chopper which has a cruise speed and maximum speed of 235 km per hour and 260 km per hour respectively. These choppers has a range of 350 km and maximum takeoff weight of 3.12 tons. The light utility helicopter will be capable of accommodating a maximum of 2 pilots and 6 passengers, all of which shall be seated in a crash-worthy seats. These choppers are powered with a single Shakti 1U turboshaft engine with 1070 shp, and these engines are derived from Safran Adinen engine variants. These engines support dual-channel, full authority digital engine control system along with the backup fuel control systems. The main intention for coming up with these light utility helicopter is to replace the aging fleet of Cheetah and Chetak choppers which are being used by Indian Army and Indian Air Force. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force together operate around 400 Cheetah and Chetak helicopters, which is licensed and supplied by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited starting from 1960s. These choppers have served the country for nearly 4 decades, and Indian defense sector is very keen on replacing these aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters. So how is the replacement of these 400 Cheetah and Chetak helicopters going to be done? Out of 400 required choppers, the LUH is expected to meet a combined Indian Army and Indian Air Force requirement for 187 choppers, and the remaining Chetaks and Cheetahs will be replaced with the Cammo KA226T helicopters. I have already uploaded a video on the details of Cammo KA226T chopper deal, and I have provided the link below in this particular video for your quick reference. So this was an update on the light utility helicopter clearing the trials in hot and high altitudes along with payload capability tests in Siachen Glacier. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.